Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, my hair grew overnight. No, I'm just playing. These are extensions. I'm going to show you guys how I put them in. I freaking love them. And this hair is from 50 Shades Hair Teak. It is a boutique based out of LA. It is black owned, which I love. So I will give you guys, I'm going to give you guys a tour, a quick demo on how I put my extensions in and how I blend them with my natural luscious hair. Alright y'all, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I actually already braided my hair in the back. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the part that I'm leaving out, and then as you can see I braided it in the back. I'm leaving, this is all my leave out in the front because I do want it to look very natural. So I want it to look really natural. I want to be able to put it up if I go to the gym, everything like that. So this is where the extensions are gonna go. I am doing a new method. Last time I didn't braid it. Last time I didn't film it, but I also didn't braid it. I just put the extensions like throughout my curls and it kind of came out, I didn't really like it. And what I use to braid my hair down is my DC's Flaxseed Gel. You guys are able to pre-order it today. The link will be in the bio. You guys can order it on my website. I love it. It is all natural. So I do use a preservative and it's only 1%. And I would recommend if you're pregnant, just check with your doctor and make sure it is okay to use. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just wet my hair. Just really want to dampen it up. Wet it up. Okay, so now I'm going to use my DC Flaxseed Gel. This is all that I'm going to use today. Yes, I love this gel. It's so good, y'all. Y'all have no idea. Woo! And y'all know I never bring you guys products that I don't like, that I don't love. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Yes, curls. So now let's go and start putting the extensions in. Okay, and these are freshly washed. I washed these, what, like last week. And then I didn't use them yet, so. Alright, so you kind of want to like get the length together, right? So what I'm probably going to do is I am going to wet this. Wet the hair. Probably like comb through it a bit. You want to treat your extensions like your real hair, honestly. I'm just going to comb through them. I'm going to put some gel on them because I want my hair to be pretty big today. I love big hair, so. And I just took some DC flaxseed and I just put it through the hair. And what I'll probably do is like put it more towards the end too. So take more gel and just put it on the ends. So like my ends are really defined because I really love defined ends, so. We can do that. Perfect. Y'all see how this is coming out? Honey. I love me some extensions, honey. Especially curly ones, honey. And I love 50 Shades Hair Teak. She does so good on the hair she picks. She's freaking fab. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and just put the extension in. So they are clip-ins. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Oop. You take the clips. You just go ahead and put it. Probably gonna put it underneath, like, probably like feel. So I want it to probably stop right about here. So I'm gonna put that first clip here. Actually, I kind of want it a little lower because I want a lot of hair, y'all. As much hair as I could fit on this head. And then, whoop. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of like your base, your starting point, and then I'll probably like take this one and put it up. But probably like on the side, like right here, but I'm gonna curve it there. Cool. So this is the first extension, y'all. Boop. You see how it like looks really good with my hair? So now what I'm gonna do is just spray it. Next left, what you want to do is when you get your hair, you could easily just kind of measure like, okay, will this one work here, will this one work here, and kind of do your thing with it. So this one I'll probably use in the middle of my head, so I'm just going to put this one to the side. Yeah, I'll probably do that, that's fine. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to use this one. This also has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on it. 4 clips. I'm going to wet it.
Never gon' give, never gon' give, never gon' give you up. Never gon' give, never gon' give. Never gon' give, never gon' give, never gon' give you up. Never gon' give, never gon' give.
Wet them, wet them.
Never gon' give, never gon' give.
Use some Flaxseed Gel.
Never gon' give. Never gon' give, never gon' give you up. Never gon' give.
Take the clip. Take the clip, take the clip. You see the clips? We're gonna measure it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and spray it. And I love this hair because literally it's such good quality. It's like bomb quality hair. It's so good. It's so bomb. So bomb, so bomb. We're gonna turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm able to feel, so it's gonna be in this area right here. So what I'll probably do is start right here. It to go this way. Also my camera cut off, but I'm gonna show you guys what the extensions look like. So this is what they look like, but my real hair is gonna cover it, so it's gonna be like this. I looked, I used one pack and it was 22, 18, and 20 inches.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
Alright. So this is what it looks like. Diffuse my hair actually because I really don't have like time to let it air dry. And I will be back, you guys, with the finished results. But seriously, I love, 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 love this hair. It looks so freaking good. It even would look good wet, you know, which I love. That's why I'm like, ooh, this is life-changing. This is life-changing, y'all. And I only used one product, and it was mine. But you guys already know I'm leaving that link in that bio, honey. But these extensions, though, I might have to do these more often. Alright, y'all, see y'all soon. Alright, you guys, so these are the extensions. They look freaking fuego. So what I did is I just picked my hair off camera. And this is what we came up with. So you can always, like, the way that I structure them and the way that I, like, place them, I can, like, move my hair, I can move it to the side. It's gonna look really pretty. And this is the back, y'all. Bomb.